Hello, welcome to the second video on the basics of English pronunciation. If you watched the first video, you'll remember that I told you that there were three basic principles of English pronunciation. The first was sounds, the second is stress, and the third is intonation. Today we're going to be talking about sounds, and we're going to be looking at the most important sound in English. So what is the most important sound in the English language, which is the king of sounds? Maybe you think it's I, like in the word alive. Or perhaps you thought it was O, like in the word ago. Maybe you're thinking that it's R, like in the word brother. Or perhaps you think it's th, like in the word the. Well, if you said any of these letters, if you thought any of these sounds were the most important sounds in the English language, you were wrong. The most important sound in the English language is this one. Oh. Did you hear it? Oh. Well, it's a very small sound. Oh. And this sound is nothing like this at all. It's not strong at all. In fact, it's very weak. Oh. It's very quiet. And most importantly, it's always unstressed. It is a very low energy sound. You use very little energy to say it. But it's such an important sound, and it's so common and frequent in the English language that it even has its own name. It's called the schwa. And this is the sound again. Oh. Now maybe you saw it in these words here. Okay, can you see it? Well, it's here in the word alive, alive. It's here again in the word ago. It's here in the word brother, brother. It's also here in the word the. Okay, you can hear it quite clearly in this word. Okay, so it's a very common sound in the English language. We see it in many, many words. Okay, let's have a look at some other words and see if you can hear the schwa. Standard, standard. Did you hear it? There it is at the end. Standard. University, university. Did you hear it? It's just here at the end. Lecture, lecture, lecture. It's just here at the end. Computer, computer. Here we've got two of these sounds, computer. Problem, problem. Here it is at the end again, problem. And finally, academic, academic, academic. Okay, here it is again. Here is that schwa. So it's a very small, weak, quiet and unstressed sound. And you can also see that it's a sound that appears as different letters. We've got AR here, ER, ER again, E here, URE, lecture, and A here, academic. Okay? But it's very important that you don't overpronounce schwa, that you don't overstress it. Okay? So that's my final message. Schwa is the most important sound in the English language, but please do not overpronounce it, do not overstress it. Thanks for watching.